Welcome back. It's Puyo, and today we're talking about the 11 survival items every senior over 55 should have for winter 2025. When the cold hits, you don't want to be caught unprepared. Preparation is a necessity, especially for our seasoned citizens. A little planning now means peace of mind later, no worries about power outages or blocked roads. So grab a pen or your phone. These are the essentials you can't skip. And if you've got your own tips, drop them in the comments to help the community. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, non-perishable food. When a blizzard hits and stores close, you need a pantry that's ready. Stock up on canned goods, soups, veggies, tuna, chicken. These last and keep you nourished. Don't forget dry goods, rice, pasta, beans, lentils. They're cheap, filling, and last forever. Comfort foods matter too. Peanut butter, crackers, granola bars, dried fruit. Aim for at least a week or two of supplies. Balance your proteins, carbs, and veggies. Build your own mini grocery store at home. Each shopping trip, add a few extra items to your cart. Before you know it, you'll have a stockpile that brings real peace of mind. When the storm comes, you'll be ready to relax, not panic. That's the power of preparation. Don't overlook the canned goods aisle. Load up. Your future self will thank you. That's how you weather any storm. Next, water. You can't last long without it, and winter can freeze pipes or knock out power. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day, more if you can. Bottled water is easy to stack in a cool, dark place. Rotate your stock. Use the old, replace with new. Prefer less plastic? Use food-grade containers, clean them well, fill with tap water, and add a tiny drop of bleach. That'll keep water fresh for months. Don't forget water for cooking and hygiene. Check expiration dates and keep your supply fresh. When others are scrambling, you'll be calm, hydrated, and in control. Water is survival. Don't risk being without it. Plan for your family and pets too. A dedicated water supply is smart and responsible. Don't get caught dry. Stay ready, stay hydrated. That's wisdom in action. Number 3, prescription medications. Your health comes first. Don't wait until you're out. Get an extra supply of your essential meds. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist about early refills or a 90-day supply. Store meds in a cool, dry place, and use a pill organizer to keep track. Make a written list of your medications, dosages, and doctors. Keep it with your emergency kit. Stock up on over-the-counter essentials, pain relievers, antacids, allergy meds, cold remedies. Emergencies are stressful. Don't add a medical crisis to the mix. Be your own first responder until help arrives. Check your supplies regularly and rotate as needed. This small step can make a huge difference. Your future self will thank you for being prepared. Health is wealth. Protect it. Don't gamble with your well-being. Stay stocked, stay safe. That's real self-care. Number 4, warm blankets and clothing. When the power's out, warmth is everything. Layer up with thermal underwear, wool socks, fleece jackets, hats, and gloves. Cotton won't cut it. Choose wool, fleece, or synthetics. Stockpile heavy blankets, down comforters, and sleeping bags. In a power outage, pick a small room, close the door, and huddle up with family and blankets. Keep your head, hands, and feet covered. Most heat escapes there. Multiple pairs of wool socks are a must. Go through your closets and wash extra blankets now. Store them sealed and ready. When the temperature drops, you'll be cozy, not panicked. Comfort and safety go hand in hand. Stay warm, stay safe. That's how you ride out winter in style. Number 5, flashlights and batteries. Darkness is dangerous in a blackout. Don't rely on your phone's flashlight. Save that battery for emergencies. Get bright LED flashlights and headlamps for hands-free use. Place flashlights in key rooms: kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, basement. Stock up on the right batteries and store them separately from the devices. Consider hand crank or solar-powered lanterns as backup. Multiple light sources mean safety and control. When the lights go out, you'll be ready to move confidently. Don't be left in the dark. Light brings comfort and security. Prep now, thank yourself later. Keep your world bright, no matter what. That's smart survival. Stay lit. Stay safe. Number 6. A well-stocked first aid kit. When roads are blocked, you're your own medic. Start with a pre-made kit, then customize for your family's needs. Include all sizes of bandages, gauze, tape, antiseptic wipes, and antibiotic ointment. Add burn cream, hydrocortisone, tweezers, scissors, instant cold packs, and pain relievers. Store your kit where everyone can find it, even in the dark. Check and update it every 6 months. A good first aid kit is peace of mind in a box. Handle small injuries before they become big problems. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. That's real preparedness. Number 7. A portable phone charger or power bank. Your phone is your lifeline. Get a heavy-duty power bank, at least $10,000 MAE. Keep it charged and store it with your emergency supplies. When a storm's coming, top it off first. Solar-powered chargers and hand-crank radios with USB ports are great backups. Don't hunt for cables in the dark. Keep them with your charger. Staying connected means staying informed and safe. Communication is control. Don't let your lifeline die. Prep your power now. Stay connected. Stay in charge. Number 8. A safe backup heat source. Blankets help, but sometimes you need more. Never use your stove or outdoor heaters indoors. Carbon monoxide is deadly. Choose an indoor-safe propane heater with safety features. Stock up on fuel canisters, and read the instructions carefully. Always allow for ventilation. Crack a window. Keep heaters away from anything flammable and never leave them on while you sleep. Have a working carbon monoxide detector with battery backup. Kerosene heaters are an option, but require extra caution. Backup heat can be a lifesaver. Treat it with respect. Safety first, always. Stay warm, stay smart. That's how you survive winter's worst. Number 9. Personal hygiene supplies. Staying clean keeps you healthy and sane. Stock up on wet wipes, they're your shower when water's out. Have plenty of toilet paper and a plan for flushing if water's off. Buckets work. Keep hand sanitizer handy. At least 60% alcohol. Don't forget toothpaste, soap, deodorant, and feminine hygiene products. Pack a small hygiene kit for each family member. Good hygiene prevents illness and boosts morale. It's not a luxury, it's essential. Stay clean, stay healthy. That's how you keep your dignity in a crisis. Number 10. Pet supplies. Your pets rely on you, especially in emergencies. Stock at least a week's worth of their food and water. Store dry food in sealed containers. Stock up on wet food if needed. Add water for pets to your emergency supply. For cats, have extra litter. For dogs, puppy pads if needed. Get extra meds from your vet and keep them with your supplies. Comfort items, blankets, toys, help keep pets calm. Have leashes, ID tags, and carriers ready in case you need to evacuate. Caring for pets is part of caring for your family. Prep for them too. They give you love, give it back. Number 11. An emergency contact list written on paper. Phones die or get lost. Don't rely on memory in a crisis. List family, friends, and out-of-state contact, doctors, pharmacy, vet, and insurance info. Add utility company numbers and policy details. Make several copies. Keep one with your kit, one on the fridge, one in your car. Laminate a copy to protect it. Share a copy with a trusted neighbor or family member. This simple list is your lifeline when tech fails. Stay connected to helping loved ones. Old school, but it works. That's it. The 11 must-have survival items for winter. This is about being smart, not scared. Start prepping now, one item at a time, and you'll be ready for anything. Share this video with friends and family. Let's keep everyone safe. Preparedness is a community effort. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more tips. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay ready.